Hello, Leaders of Leaders. I want to show you quickly how you can set up Epic, which is a really high quality ebook platform that students can use for assignments as well as just free voluntary reading for fun. So first you'll go to getepic.com and you'll be prompted to create an account. If you want to create an account so that you can load all of your own students and keep track of what they're doing, you can do that. If you don't want to create an account, that's okay. Stay tuned, and you can actually just share my class code with your students, which is right here, and they can log in as a guest if they want to just read for fun. So after you've created your account, if you choose to do so, you can go to My Students and add students. It's very easy and straightforward. Then after you've added your students, if you want to, this is my favorite little feature here where it says login instructions. If you click that blue button, then you will see this box pop up. You can take a snip, like a little screenshot with your snipping tool. If you don't know what that is, ask me. It's a wonderful game changer. You can just snip it and then save it as a JPEG or a GIF or whatever you want, and then you could upload that to your Schoology page to share it with the kids. And then also I want to show you how to explore with the student experience. If you want to share my class code with your kids, this is what they will see, and they can go in as a guest. And I love Epic for a lot of reasons. It's really user-friendly, it's very kid-friendly. They can search by different types of items here. So when you see a story that you want to read, you can just click it. And if your computer is not slow like mine is, then you'll just be off to the races. So this is actually showing the whole series of Bark Park, and you see this little icon here. It means that it will actually read to the kids. Some of them don't have that, some of them do. And so you just click over on the edge of the page to turn the pages. And that's it basically. I just wanted you to get to see what this looks like. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I would be very happy to help you. If you want help setting up your class, I can help you with that as well. And I hope I see you soon. Bye.